how to buy Binance Puppet token. So this token came under the symbol of BUPS, BUPS. Now before it starts, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money deposits on crypto with the best referral codes included codes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created, as you can see, 10 hours ago and increased by 1000% in the last 24 hours. This token trending number 1 in the BNB Smart Chain section. Now I will show you how to buy this token. Now click here to copy the token address first and open your fund and open your wallet for open your wallet. I will use the Bitget wallet for that. Now first of all, select the BNB chain as a network first of all. Now after that, click on this plus icon and paste the token as in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and keep searching until you find your token that you just added called BUPS. Now click on it. So here click on swap, switch from here, and from the top you can select the token that you want to buy it, for example USDT. And as you can see here, you will set how much you want to buy. So this is how much you will be able to receive the token. Now here click on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy BUPS token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.